Making money on Fiverr as a web developer involves offering your skills and services to clients in need of web development work. Here's how you can get started. Create a strong profile. Start by creating a professional Fiverr profile. Highlight your skills, experience, and web development expertise. A detailed and polished profile with a professional photo helps you stand out. Offer different gigs. On Fiverr, you create gigs that describe the services you provide. As a web developer, you can offer services like website design and development, WordPress theme customization, e-commerce website development, SEO optimization, website maintenance. Make sure each gig is clearly defined and includes packages at different price points. Showcase your portfolio. Include examples of previous work in your gig gallery. This helps potential clients see your skill level and gives them confidence in your abilities. Promote your services. Use social media platforms, online communities, and forums to promote your Fiverr gigs. You can also offer discounts or extras to attract initial clients.